Welcome to Pantechelearning. Thank you for watching our video. If you like this video, kindly click on the like button and share the video to your friends. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Now we are going to start with how to segment images using app inside the MATLAB. So for that, here we used to work in the same kind of folder, so that I am copying that address. Now opening the MATLAB. So the data path is must. From this data path only we are going to use the different types of images upon here. Now how to open the inbuilt segmentation tool. So it should be done in the form of the command. Inside the command window you can type image segmenter, S must be caps. So let us wait till it gets opened. So this is an inbuilt segmentation which is available inside the MATLAB itself. While compared to the programming and this app, the major difference is, like here we can click and we don't need to provide any of the coding, we don't need to check any of the syntax, those kind of difference. And the algorithm basis here, it is not possible at all. Here those implementation, it will be completely done using this functions, especially whenever we are integrating this image. What type of functions we will be able to select means include texture features, threshold, graph cut, local graph cut, flood fill, morphology, active contours, show binary, opacity. So these are all the different file types of segmentation which is available, and for all the images all the segmentations are not applicable, and we will be able to export this file in the form of mat file, so that we will be able to see that the mat file we can call inside the programming language from the respective point. Initially we have seen what is k-means segmentation. So through k-means algorithm how the segmentation has been applied, and through the segmentation how the colors and all varied the particular portions. All the details we were able to cover it up. Now from the segmentation we can see what and all the outputs we will be able to receive and how we will be able to compare the particular outputs over here. So therefore first we have to load the image, and we have given the data path. The load image from file or workspace. From workspace means any MATLAB file or any data which is stored in the form of array. So here we are going to take it from file only. Select any one required part. So first let us go with this coin. Even though it is in grayscale, it is applicable for all the segmentations. So here now the question it is asking whether the image should be adjusted or not. Image data, the span of full data range, everything. So if you want means we can provide it as yes. So that I am clicking on yes now. Now it is loading the data. Yeah, now the data has been loaded, and here whenever it has been loaded itself, it has been enhanced. So in the name of enhancing, only that respective colors we are able to see, the circles. Apart from circles we are not able to see anything. So now we have different options which have been active for this respective application. So what are those means? Load masking, include texture features, threshold image segmentation, graph cut, auto cluster, find circles, then local graph cut, foot fill, draw ROIs. It's not foot fill, it's flood fill. And finally from refine mask we are not able to get anything, and the show binary is also not enabled. So once if we apply that particular any changes here, we will be able to export. Until this it is not possible. So first let us try on load mask. So here we don't have any masking layers, so therefore since we have not applied it in any variable, it is not possible. Then we can try to include the texture feature. So from the texture features it is applying 24 Gabber filters. for the selected image. Even multiple images also we are allowed to select over here. And now the texture has been included. Now from that, here we can collect the threshold data. Threshold of the image. So this threshold, it is able to collect a clear data like the blue circles, whatever we are seeing. It is nothing but it is highlighting that respective object. And now the same thing here we can select what type of threshold, like global, then manual threshold, adaptive threshold. So let us go for adaptive threshold. So where and all the adaptations can be done, like stripes. So wherever the stripes we can see, which is in dilemma cases, that also here it will be able to recognize. Then the next thing is manual. So which we have seen, whatever the output we have got, that is for manual. And the global also the same kind of output only. It is nothing but automatic Otsu thresholding. We will be learning it in further classes. What is Otsu? So both manual as well as global, it is almost same. If you want to change the brightness, we can change it. But for this image, this will be the brightness. And if you want to see this output in binary, click on show binary. So show binary means in that only many of them will be able to see that this is the respective threshold, whatever we can apply, and we will be able to collect the data. Now from this, here we can create the masking layer. Click on create mask, and therefore the mask has been applied over there. Now from this mask, we can refine it. So refining only here it has been enabled over there. But before that refining, we have to just see what are all the other kinds of creating the mask. Okay, because each and every mask has different functions. And here we have also added the texture feature. So texture means the image which is a unique textures. Whatever it is able to find it as or feel it as a unique texture, it will be mapping it the complete area. Again, if you want to create a mask means click on load, because this is the loaded data set, and from that I am clicking on graph cut. So graph cut is also somewhat easy. So like if you want to just take the graph cut means you have to decide which one is the foreground and which one is the background. We can also erase if you want. We can also erase the entire thing whatever we have been marked. So here all the features has been added. For our sake, if you want to just highlight it means here also we can apply it in the binary. But here it is not taken in the form of binary. Why means till now we have not applied any of the foreground or background. So step 1, it is nothing but to apply the foreground over here. So click on this mark foreground. So I need only the parts of the coin. So just I am drawing it. So draw the circles wherever the coins are present. Now also it shows for going for the background only, but since we have not completed our requirement, we are not moving towards the background part. Now another coin also is selected, the last before coin, then the last coin. Even though some blacks have been highlighted, but anyway, how much it is possible for me, I have done it. Now I have to mark the background. So now it will be applied in the form of a red color. From any one place we have to start. So hereby I am just marking wherever the black areas are there. So now only this much area it is able to select. So wherever we want, we will be able to select it. So fill the area with red, then only we will be able to get it. So this is nothing but manual kind of selecting the segmentation, and this is also known as the particular ROI, region of interest. This most important part. Yeah, so now almost everything it is applied over here. So remove the maximum layers because we need a clear segmentation. Almost it has been removed. Now let us show in binary. Yes, almost we are able to get it. Create a mask for this. So this is for graph cut. Thank you for watching our video. If you like this video, kindly click on the like button and share the video to your friends. Don't forget to subscribe our channel.